Anti-snoring products. Almost all treatments for snoring revolve around clearing the blockage in the breathing passage. A wide range of anti-snoring devices, medicines, and herbal pills are available in the market. Nasal strips, or nasal dilator strips, are harmless and inexpensive. It is a type of adhesive bandage, with embedded plastic ribs, that is applied across the bridge of the nose and side of the nostrils, to assist in keeping the airway open. You can apply these nasal strips across your nose at bedtime, to help to open up the nasal passages. It is used as an aid to reduce congestion or to prevent snoring. They are a drug-free method to maintain airway. It helps to reduce snoring loudness and improve the quality of sleep. Mouth appliance. There are two types of mouth guards: mandibular advancement device and tongue stabilizing device. Mandibular advancement device, or splints, have been proven to be effective in reducing snoring, which advance the lower jaw slightly and thereby pull the tongue forward. Tongue stabilizing device attaches to the tip of your tongue and rests on the outside of your lips. It prevents your tongue from flopping to the back of your throat and obstructing the airway. It is easy to use, non-invasive, inexpensive and popular alternative to bulky mouthpieces. It is a desirable treatment option if you have been unable to tolerate standard treatment. Orthopedic pillows. These pillows are designed to support the head and neck in a way that ensures the jaw stays open and slightly forward. This helps to keep the airways unrestricted by supporting the neck in a specific position. Chin straps. Chin straps are similar to jaw-retaining mouthpieces. They are very simple to use and easy to wear. They go under your chin and over the top, or around the back of your head. It is not good if your nose is blocked. Continuous positive airway pressure. It is often used to control snoring. The device pumps a controlled stream of air through a flexible hose to a mask worn over the mouth, nose, or both to keep the airway open. The air pressure required to keep the airway open is delivered through this, and it's attached to a continuous positive airway pressure machine, which is like an air compressor. The air that continuous positive airway pressure delivers is generally normal air, not concentrated oxygen, and is a relatively safe medical treatment. A wide range of herbal pills, medicines, and anti-snoring devices are available in the market that is aimed at reducing snoring. A variety of different surgical procedures are also available to eliminate or reduce snoring. Try the more conservative steps first, before considering surgical procedures to alleviate snoring. Also check description below for the top 10 recommended anti-snoring products available in the market, in each categories. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.